Hello everyone, let's talk about two speedy data transformations in Spotfire. I have a London Airbnb dataset that I have imported from a CSV file. It has columns with longitude and latitude, property type, price, reviews, etc. As you can see, this data has not been cleaned. Furthermore, not every listing has a review score rating. Maybe I want to do some analysis on the reviews. I will go now to my data canvas, and in the plus button between the two nodes, I'll select Add Transformations. Spotfire gives me many different options for data transformations, such as Calculate and Replace Column, Change Column Names, Data Function, Exclude Columns, Normalization, Pivot, and so on. I'll select Filter Rows. Then I'll click on Insert, and a new dialog box appears. I can simply pick the column I want to filter from available columns, in this case reviews, scores, rating, and in the expression box I will just add is not no. On the right side of my dialog box I have a function search where I can browse through the different expressions, find out more about them, and get a practical example. Once I'm done with my expression, I can click OK, OK again, and you can see from my data table all the review scores that they've been no have now been filtered out. Another cool and speedy transformation is replacing a value. I can do it in many ways, but the fastest one is to find what I want to replace and double click. In this case, I can see that I have a lot of empty host locations, and because I don't want to filter them out, but I don't know which ones are they, I can double click on an empty row and I will see the Replace Value dialog box. Make sure you select all occurrences in column from the radio button filter. I will type replace value with other and click apply. And just like that, all empty rows have been replaced with other. And that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.